Hello. You're probably thinking, why is that bellend sat in his house with his crash helmet on? Now, if you've watched a few of my videos, you'll see that I've been bitching and going about these things steaming up. Well, if you have a good look, you can see I'm wearing a balaclava as well. Now, that's going to have the same effect as when we were all wearing masks during COVID. Pushes your breath up, steams your glasses up. But watch. That's locked down tight now. Now the last probably 2 or 3 times I've been out on it, I have been moaning like buggery about how my glasses steamed up. I mean, it wasn't even just steaming up, it was pure condensation. So I bought anti-fog crap from China. I bought some muck-off anti-fog. Wasn't too bad to start with, but eventually even that stuff couldn't put up with it. I then bought a Fog Zero, I think. Zero Fog Plus, that's what it was called. It's better. It was definitely a lot better. Not perfect though. Now we're coming up to a minute now that I've been sat in here with my visor down, with a balaclava on, with my glasses on. I'll even breathe heavy. Now, I posted a video called Anti-Fog My Ass, moaning about the muck-off stuff. Now, there is people that have commented on there and said I was doing it wrong, the muck-off is brilliant stuff. I'm not debating. If it works for you, brilliant. It didn't work for me. Now, on that video, someone called Beans672 told me that I ought to try something called Zeiss anti-fog kit. It's something that he suffered with severe steaming up, but he tried this and swears blind by it. So I looked online, I googled it, and this is what you get. That's a double pack, and this cost me £1.99 for the two, £3.49 delivery, but there was also some on there £5.99 for the double pack with free delivery, so roughly the same. Now this comes in a little bottle. It's only 15 mils, and it's that big. You also get in the pack, the magic cloth. Now, just so you know, when I would put my helmet on with my glasses, I'd say 60 seconds and I started steaming up. I was stopping at traffic lights. Within 30 to 60 seconds I was steaming up. Now, just for argument's sake, I'm looking at the timer on there now. 4 minutes I've had this visor down with a balaclava on. I am purposely breathing heavy, and I want to show you something in a minute, because just before I did this, I coated my glasses with this, the Zeiss anti-fog. I am in no way connected to this lot at all. I've paid for this with my own money, but I want to show you something. I can see tiny little bits of misting up in here, either side of the pin lock. But I want to show you something now. Not a thing on my glasses. Not a thing. I am telling you now, I I get no kickback from this lot at all. I've only just bought it. It was delivered today. If you get trouble with your glasses steaming up, buy some of that shit. For the money, that is fantastic. Honest to God, try it. It's peanuts. If it don't work for you, bin it. Send it to me, I'll have it. This stuff is bloody liquid gold. Anyway, I shall see you in the next video, hopefully with clear glasses. Ride safe.